And as Rebecca kind of said, she feels like where she is in Waukesha County that the storm, at least the severe part of it, has passed her.
Yeah, I was just listening to that as well. And I don't know her exact location in Waukesha County, but as we look at this, it's definitely southern Waukesha County now through western Racine County and over towards Lake Geneva that we're seeing the strongest winds. And we're just on radar. We're seeing these notches on the radar. I've been listening to Brendan as I came into work. He's doing an excellent job tracking this. This is a very unique scenario. This isn't like your typical summertime severe weather situation. These are barely even thunderstorms. It's just that collision of air. It's a highly sheared environment, very unique setup. So what I want to do here is, first off, if you are currently under a tornado warning, you need to be in your basement because this is very tricky to predict along this line where it will drop its next tornado. But what I am going to do is we're going to zoom in on each one of these little couplets that I'm seeing, and those are the places that we 110% need to be in our basement. So let's get started with that. I'm going to start with our southern spots because this is where I think it is most pressing as of right now. You see that little notch that is to the east of Lake Geneva, right around Powers Lake, Twin Lakes. If you're in the Twin Lakes area, you really need to be in your basement. It's this where it kind of sticks out here, right here. Now, again, if you're very savvy with radar, you're thinking that doesn't look like much like a tornado, but this is a unique situation. Again, these are QLCS tornadoes. If they are forming along this line, again, a setup where a lot of these are rain wrapped. They probably don't show up very well on radar, except for these little notches. So again, southern end of thing, Powers Lake, eventually over to Twin Lakes, that's where you need to be 100% in your basement. Put it this way, western Kenosha County, western Racine County, you need to be taking cover. Let's go a little bit farther north. I'm seeing another one of these little notches now to the southeast of Burlington. So heads up, eventually again, Brighton, Wheatland area, eventually south of Kansasville. We're talking south of Highway 11 here in Racine County and Kenosha County. That's where I'm seeing potentially our next tornado that could be maybe already on the ground. So again, this is again tracking to the east here pretty quickly, around 30 to 40 miles per hour. So locations all in western Racine County and Kenosha County need to be in your basement. Now again, as we look a little farther north, we're going to look and try to point out that one right here, also to the northeast of Wind Lake. You see how you kind of get this gray and red situation here? That again is another area right along Loomis Road, 36 here, that we have to be aware that this could be spinning up another tornado. Now, with this setup, now I don't want you to take it lightly, but with this setup, typically you have brief tornadoes, you have lower end tornadoes. This reminds me of a couple years ago, northern counties up towards Fond du Lac, Dodge County, where we had over 20 tornadoes that touched down along a line of thunderstorms. Let's go a little bit farther north here. Again, we'll try to find any of these notches. Now we're starting to get into Metro Milwaukee here. This one right here, south side, I really don't like either. Potentially around West Milwaukee, West Allis. You see, again, just this little gray, little pink, that indicates rotation right here. Again, it's not much on radar. Quite frankly, I was watching Brendan's coverage, and earlier through Waukesha County and Jefferson County, these storms showed a little more oomph on the radar. Let's zoom out a little bit more because I know also you folks in northern Milwaukee County, again, this really doesn't look like much on radar. Now, to go along with the potential little spin-up tornadoes, we also have to talk about, this is some pretty strong straight line winds too, potentially over 60 miles per hour. So again, we're going to continue to track these tornado warnings. Right now, active warnings for much of southeastern Wisconsin. Before we toss back to Tom here, I want to take a quick look at the most current warnings across the area. And now we're talking all in Milwaukee County and a good chunk of Racine and Kenosha County. So again, you can see the city of Racine, city of Kenosha, now under this tornado warning. City of Milwaukee, you are under a tornado warning. Folks, if you live in the city of Milwaukee and you're watching right now, please head to your basement, turn your TV up, watch it on your phone, watch it on your tablet, head to the basement. Same story for Racine and Kenosha. You have a little bit of time before these storms reach you in the city of Racine and Kenosha, but these are moving pretty quickly, so get in your safe space now. Again, tornado warning still in effect for Milwaukee, Racine, and Kenosha, a highly populated area here in southeastern Wisconsin.